God bless you. This is Pastor Frederick, and I conclude my series this week with these two words: stand firm. Stand firm. In Ephesians 6, Paul writes and he says, after you've done everything to stand, stand firm then. You know, standing firm is actually a choice. It's a decision we make. And we must go to every extent, every length so that we remain standing. We may have to avoid some people. We may have to not return some calls. We may have to cancel some appointments. We may have to move from one city to the other, just so that we are in the frame of mind where we can stand firm. We might have to avoid certain distractions that get us off track. But the point is, stand firm. And that choice is yours. You have the power to stand firm. So Paul writes that, and after you have done everything to stand, stand firm then. Friend, will you be standing firm 20 years from now? I pray that you will. Before I go, I want to bring my new book to your attention. I recently published my TBN, God of Cycles, Why Tomorrow Will Be Better Than Yesterday and Today. There's so many great lessons about standing firm, and we need to stand firm in these last days. It's available on Amazon, Barnes & Noble, in all major bookstores and on all major book sites. Grab a copy, share the information. It will be a tremendous blessing to you and your community. God bless you, and please join us at Rhema International Bible Church this Sunday as we stand firm in the Lord. God richly bless you.